What is up? What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is just going to be a mess of a whole bunch of clips thrown together. We're going to get some things done on the giveaway Fox, some Duster updates, some satellite updates, and we'll throw in some 64 updates. So, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm here at the $20 Fox. We're gonna rob some parts off of it right quick. Now, this car is nasty. It's been sitting for a long time. I'm mainly going after that speaker grill right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop off some of these vents. So let's get it. Alright, so we got the speaker vent, got some screws. You see, nice big hole back there. Now I haven't talked about this car in a long time and what the plans are with this car. But you just see it's pretty nasty. And it's sitting on jack stands in the front and wheels on the back. So I traded the ponies that was on this for a set of drag lights. The plan with this car has changed. I think I said I was going to try to do 5s for under 10,000. Well, if you don't know, my son is 14. I want to get him into racing. You know, it's a better habit than the alternative stuff. So, give him this car. The plan with this car is going to be like a big block Chevrolet with a like a turbo 400 or something. It's the cheapest way to go fast. Now you could LS it and all this stuff, but just a carburetor with a 6AL box on like a 454 be pretty cheap. You know, headers are like 300 bucks. K-members like the same 600 bucks just with big block Chevrolet mounts. So I think that's the route we're going to go. I don't really, small block Ford is a lot of money to go fast with. I mean, they're easy to go fast with, but get them into bracket racing just because that's the easiest, cheapest way to get into like racing. So we're going to start off with this red fox body here, but it's basically going to be essentially just a race car. So the interior parts, don't need it. We're probably just throw a metal dash in it and some metal door panels. Probably keep carpet in it, and you know, some like NRG seats or something like that. But yeah, so I have no regrets about stripping whatever interior pieces I need for this and putting it into one of y'all's Fox. So I'll go ahead and get these vents out, and we'll go from there. Well, shit, that didn't last long. I hope y'all like the wood grain, because the wood grain's staying in it at this point. Damn. Alright. Alright, well, let's at least go throw in the speaker grill. Feels way better sitting in this car than the other car. It's not nearly as dirty. Probably still need to clean it out. Definitely clean it out before I give away one of you guys. But as you see, this one has seen better days. So we'll go ahead and get that pulled out, get the speaker swapped over, and let's get it in. Alright, so apparently this is a Earthquake sound. Never heard of that brand at all. And guys, whoever wins this, don't beat me up. I didn't do this. It was already like this, I promise. And I don't think the guy I got it from did this either. So yeah, just a little forewarning. Let's go ahead and get this swapped out. Oh, not that one. Use the number 2. Nope. Right down here. Nope. Alright. Come on, baby. Probably be best to get a ratchet now. What is that, like a 6? And boys and girls, she's in. That looks way better. It already feels better in here. Now, we still ain't got the car fixed. It's kind of a long story. Basically what it boils down to is I really just haven't had the time, and when I did have the time, it was either raining or my jack and jack stands were gone. So today is Thursday. I'll probably have this video out tonight, but last Friday we tried to take the satellite out to the racetrack, killed another starter in that. So later on, probably in this video, we got to go finish putting the new starter in, It's already bolted up and everything. Just got we kind of rewired just a little bit. Yeah. Rewire it, put the exhaust back on. I gotta go grab the exhaust gaskets. Hey. So we gotta go do that. So Sunday, my plan is to get this transmission out and see what's wrong with it. So that's the plan. But that's basically it for in here. I guess we can go ahead and run over and grab those exhaust gaskets and go finish the starter on the 66 satellite. Let's do that. All right, before we go work on the satellite, here's a little update on the 66 Savoy, my dad's dream car. I've been sanding on it here and there. It's mostly blocked out in the quarters, but after I get the transmission out Sunday, we got to finish like the front sides of the doors, like the door jambs. All that is good. We're gonna jam it out, then put all the interior in it, because it's a nostalgia super stock car, so all the interiors got to go back in this thing. Once all the interior's in, we get the glass in, the headliner, all that good stuff, then we'll put the fenders and the hood and all that stuff on it, get it all blocked down one last time, and then get to spraying. Another project I've been working on, I saved this intake right here. Yes, everything's a mess, but saved the intake right here from going to the sandblasters, and I told him I was going to try to polish it. Well, I got about an hour and a half of sanding on it, and you can't even tell it. Probably should have just went ahead and sent it to the sandblasters and then tried to polish it. You live and you learn. So it's old, working on it. And another project we got, which will be a whole video coming up soon, is, whoa, we're still zoomed in. We got the dash for the duster. This light is really not helping y'all. I'm sorry. So we're gonna take the paintless out, take this out, take everything off the dash, and we're gonna smooth all these, like those holes. Yeah, I'm the one that did that, just so everybody knows. Don't worry about that. We're about to fix all that. Didn't know what I was doing, and fix all these holes down here. The dash is basically going to be smooth. Obviously we want to get the duster as nice as possible. So if you don't know about a Mopar A-body, you can't take the dash out with the dash still in the car, or the windshield still in the car, excuse me. So I'm basically gonna cut the dash in half, and I don't know, I'll probably just run a stick of metal underneath it as like a mounting point, like probably right underneath the dash cover, and make it to where it's like a quick disconnect, so I can take it off and access all the car's wiring with literally like nothing. That's the plan. Maybe like 1 or 2 bolts is the game plan. So actually I'll probably have it to where I'll probably just weld studs on the underside of here, so you just throw it up in the holes and then run like a wing nut or something. Make it super simple. But I don't want anything to be on the dash. The dash needs to be completely smooth, clean. So when I need to access the wiring, I'll take it out. So whole video about that coming up. And since we're just all over the place, just can we admire the giveaway car? It does look good. It's not the best. It is what some would consider a shit box, but this is going to be a great start to somebody's build, and I'm excited for it. I hate the wheels. I've always hated the wheels. I don't like the one-piece headlights, so I bought the 3-piece, and I think they look mint. A lot of people don't like the black, but it is what it is. Alright, so anyway, enough rambling. I'm going inside. I'm going to grab some lunch, and then we'll go to Napa and pick up that stuff and get on the 66. But the best part about living in the country is just random dudes on a 4-wheeler riding down the street. Oh yeah, my kind of people. Hey guys, it's me. I'm back again. Ow. We are here again today doing another starter on the satellite. Go figure. So Dad's already got it. Already got the starter on. I just got to finish up some wiring. Put the exhaust back on, you know. But it gets me thinking, what about a big block Mopar? This always seems to break the starter. I just don't know. And we typically, I don't know if I should tell you, the trailer typically isn't locked very good, but it is today. And so these are all the tools I got. Go me. Oh, had to come back to the casa, get some tools, because I'm not very smart. But get some tools and we'll head right back out there. Hopefully we won't run out of daylight. I don't think we will, but hopefully we don't. Push this damn four-wheeler out the way. I just cleaned up this garage probably about a week and a half ago, and it's already rough. But yeah, let's get it. All right, so we back. Finally got the nut off that stud. Don't really have a wire stripper. Didn't think to grab that, so I'm gonna think on that for a minute. In the meantime, we're gonna go throw a heat cover on the starter. Hopefully that'll fix our issue. You know, it's pretty close up there to the header, so there it is right there. So we'll get that, and then we'll throw this collector back on, and hopefully this thing will run. All right, and the muffler is back on. Now this cord does have I think they're Flotex bullets. You know, it's a 3-inch down to a Flotex bullet. That's all it is. That's why it's stupid loud. If you ever hear the car in person, it's really loud. So we left the starter unwrapped for the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and get it wired. That'll probably be smart before I wrap it up. So jump back up top, add one connector, and go from there. All right, so some more bad news. Just well, guys, hate to say it, it is not fixed. We basically bypassed all the starter wire. We basically did everything. The starter was checked before it was put on. The only thing is we don't have an ohm reader, so we can't check to see if it's actually getting good power or not. No, maybe I should turn on the light. Let's go. But yeah, it's just here. Power's on. We go. So I don't know. One of the things we're just gonna have to figure out. It's a brand new starter apparently. So great. Well, we tried. Man, the satellite actually like lights up. Look, it's reflective. Anyway, we're going to get out of here. We'll come back. He's gonna come back tomorrow with the ohm reader and check it out. Hurts my heart, but it's part of it. So catch you next one. Peace. Say bye. Just kidding. We're not done yet. Let's see if we can fucking figure this thing out. Alright, let's see what we got here. 12.9.
You should start it up perfect.
Alright, let's go check the solenoid. Alright, so what we found was the wire right here that goes down to the battery, the big one, is shorted out or something, because it's not 12 volts in there. It's like 2 volts. So I have one at home.
So we're gonna go get one, and we'll probably put it on Sunday. But new starters on. Maybe that's what's been killing the starters. That thing's 12 years old, so maybe. I mean, look at the end of it. It's the one that's all rusted. So it's definitely seen better days. Like I said, we're gonna rewire this entire car over the winter because that's no bueno. So that's gonna be it for me. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.